Here is what to do if you've not received your cards allocation. If you used the Bybit platform, many people have been receiving, especially those that used BitGet. Okay, so if you used Bybit, once you log into your app, go to assets. Okay, once you're there, go to unified. Before, Bybit would have your allocation sent to your funding wallet, but I guess they have changed that method. They now send it to your unified, and I guess the reason is because most newbies, after receiving it in here, don't know how to use this transfer function to move it to the unified so they can sell using the spot function. Okay, so what you should do is go to unified, click on that. Okay, you are most likely not going to see it here, but if you see it, there's no point doing what I want to show you. But if you don't see it here, okay, what you should do is use this search button, click on that and search for cards. Okay, so I'm gonna search for cards. As you can see, it now displays here. This right here is my allocation. I'm gonna click on it. So as it stands, this is how much I've received at the moment. My bonus is still 0. Maybe I'm still gonna receive some bonuses. Okay, so this is how you can easily and very quickly check your cards allocation. Ladies and gentlemen, if you've got any questions, let's hear you in the comment section. How much is your allocation? Let's hear you in the comments. And as you can see, if I come back, it doesn't reflect here. Okay, so but that's how you can check your allocation. Let's go.